Hi, my name is Paula, and I am a stay-at-home mom, and I love making crafts. So I've been selling this online here and there, and I just was trying to find a way to build more sales and create more traffic. So I heard of PrimeRealAdState.com. Now, this is perfect for me because not only my sales have increased, but I'm generating traffic. It's sort of a web-based marketing for your business, and it's perfect for entrepreneurs such as myself. So I tried it. It's a way to socialize online, and again, to create more traffic for your business. So they have a great compensation plan because the more I refer people, the more points I earn and the more cash I earn. So it's worked out great. It's a perfect opportunity that I think that anybody should try. And thanks to PrimeRealAdState.com, I'm set. I'm really happy.